Today, we're diving into the Corning 95-200-41 UniCam High-Performance Connector SC, designed for single-mode fiber optic applications. Offering a remarkable 100% yield guarantee, this connector ensures consistent optical performance with its factory-polished end face. Its broad operating temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +75 degrees Celsius makes it versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. Providing utility and flexibility in various environments. One of the standout features of the Corning UniCam connector is its fast termination process, eliminating the need for consumables and significantly reducing installation costs. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the insertion loss, ensuring optimum optical performance across installations. Whether you're setting up a network indoors or tackling outdoor installations, the Corning UniCam connector proves its worth with reliable connectivity and durability. Its male-to-male SC connector type and round shape cater to standard fiber optic setups, offering compatibility and ease of use. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best solution in fiber optic connectors, the Corning 95-200-41 UniCam High-Performance Connector SC stands out for its performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking top-tier optical performance without compromising on ease of installation and durability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.